Hi everyone, you're welcome to another awesome class today. This morning we'll be talking about mathematics, and in math class today we'll be looking at weight. I'm Modupe Olayinka and I'm so excited to have you here this morning. I'm sure you're ready to learn something new this morning. So if you're ready to learn, I'm also ready for you this morning. I'm so excited to have you, and I'm sure you're excited to have me as well. Please, I want you to calm down, get a place, sit down, get your writing materials, because we are, like I always tell you in mathematics class, you have to work along with me as I am working, so you can get what I am explaining. So I want you to pay rapt attention, because math is very simple subject. So I don't want you to have it at the back of your mind that it's difficult. So when you have it at the back of your mind that it's difficult, the topic might be difficult. So please, every topic that you are going to be learning on this awesome platform, just have it at the back of your mind that it's very easy. So this morning, like I said, the topic is weight, and then we'll be looking at what weight is, and then we'll be doing some workings on weight. We'll be seeing how we can add weight and subtract weight. Then when we come in next class, we'll look at some other things on weight, because it's a very wide topic and we will not be able to finish everything in only one class. So we will not be doing conversion of weight today, but we'll be adding and subtracting in weight. So I want you to come along with me. Like I said, we'll be doing a lot of things in weight class this morning. So, okay, now, in this class today, like I said, we'll be looking at the definition of weight, and then we should look at the conversion of weight, and then how to solve some on weight. We'll be doing math, addition and subtraction today. Now, next week, we'll look at division and multiplication, and then we'll look at conversion of weight. Now, what is weight? Weight. Okay. You want to try? Okay, let me see what I have here. Weight means how heavy or how light an object is. How heavy or how light an object is. That's weight. That's why you see something very heavy and some other things is very light. That is the weight of that object. Now we have your weight. You can try to weigh yourself and see what you're weighing. You can try to see your weight. So weight means how heavy or how light something is. You can see the picture here talking about weight. Now the unit of weight in Nigeria is in grams and kilograms. Grams and kilograms. So when you see me writing G, what I'm actually writing is grams. And when you see me writing kg, what I'm actually writing is kilograms. So you can see this kg here stands for kilogram. And you see other things, you've seen other measures of weights also. You may be seeing me writing centigrams and other things. So, conversion of weight. You'll be needing this table as the class proceeds. Now we have 10 milligrams. We give you 1 centigram. You can see CG stands for centigram. So in the next slide, I'm writing CG and then kg, and like that, you should understand what I'm writing. 10 centigrams will give us 1 decigram. 10 decigrams will give us 1 gram. 10 grams will give us 1 decagrams. And 10 decagrams will give us 1 hectogram. And 10 hectograms will give us 1 kilogram. 1,000 kilograms will give us 1 metric ton. Good. I hope you have gotten that. You may be needing a table as the class proceeds, because we will be adding and doing some other work using this weight conversion. Now, don't forget that 100 centigram will give us what? 1 gram. 1,000 gram will give us 1 kilogram. 1,000 kilogram will give us 1 ton. Okay, let's now go to the addition of metric weights. I want to be adding, and then you see like I said, it's very simple. Now, I told you CG stands for what? Centigram. And then mg stands for what? Milligram. So we want to add 24 centigram, 9 milligram, plus 33 centigram, and 8 milligram. Addition stands for plus. Now we want to add it together. So 8 plus 9 will give us what? What will it give us? 17. Good. Okay. Now we cannot write the 17 here. We have to move the 10 to the centigram. And when we move the 10 to the centigrams, it becomes 1. 10 milligrams makes 1 centigram. 10 milligrams makes 1 centigram. So when you have your 7 here, and you have moved it here, it makes 1 centigram. So that means this one is 5 plus 3 will give us 8 centigrams. Now 2 centigram plus 3 centigram gives us 5 centigrams. That's why we have 58 centigrams and 7 grams. 7 milligrams, sorry. I hope that's clear enough. Okay, let's quickly go to another problem on addition. I have been able to put a lot of questions together so that it will be easy for you when you see a lot of worked examples. By the time you are doing yours, it won't be difficult for you. Now we have grams. I told you that G stands for what? Grams. Then CG stands for what? Centigram. And then MG stands for what? Milligram. Don't forget, please. Now, we have 9 milligram plus 6 milligram. What will it give us? 15 milligrams. So you have your 5 and then take your 10 milligrams. It goes to the centigrams, becomes 1 centigram. Now, we had it there. It becomes 12. 2 plus 8 will give us 10. Then 8 plus 1 give us 9. Plus the 1 we have from the 10 give us 10. That means we have 100. 100. Now, 100, you cannot write it. 100 here, you have just 0 kilogram. And you move your 10 centigrams to grams, it becomes 1 gram. You move your 10, it becomes 1 gram. So we have 1 here. 2 plus 1 will give us 3. And then 3 plus 6 will give us what? 9. So we have 9 grams, 0 kilograms, and 5 milligrams. Is that okay? Good. Let's go to the next addition on weights. Another worked example still on addition. Now we want to add again kilograms and grams. So we have 2 kilograms, 486 grams, 7 kilograms, 812 grams. Now 6 plus 2 give us 8. 8 plus 1 will give us 9. 4 plus 8 will give us 12. That's 12 grams. Then you move the 10 here to the kilogram. Then we have 1. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. That's why we have 10 kilograms. 298 grams. Is that okay? Good. Do we understand addition? Because we are moving straight now to subtraction. Now I want to subtract metric in metric weight. Now, subtraction. Same way we did our addition, we are going to be subtracting. We have the gram, the centigram, and the milligram. 6 milligram minus 9 milligram cannot. So you have to take 1 from this one and it becomes 10 here. Then we have 16. 16 minus 9, what will it give us? What? 7, you're right. 7 milligrams. Now we have 1 minus 5. You cannot do that, so you have your 1 from here. Add it to that, it becomes what? 11. 11 minus 5 will give us what? 6. Okay. Now don't forget we have 2 remaining here. 2 left here. No longer 3. So 2 minus 6 cannot, that cannot come up. So we have 1 from here. From the 5, we have 4 remaining. And then we have 12. 12 minus 6 will give us 6. 12 minus 6 will give us 6. Now that's why we have 66 centigram. For we have 4 minus 3 will give us 1 gram. So that's why we have 1 grams, 66 centigram, and 7 milligram. That's on subtraction. The first example on subtraction, you've seen that very simple. Then let's go to another example on subtraction. Still on kilogram and grams. We have 7 kilograms, 150 grams, minus 3 kilograms, 560 grams. So the 0 we subtract the 0 give us the same 0. 5 subtracts 6 is impossible. So you have your 1. 15 minus 6 will give us 9. Give us 9. So we have nothing left here because we have brought the 1. Don't forget. Then we take 1 from the 7. It left to 6. And then we put it there, close to the 0. It becomes what? 10. Now 10 minus 5, we have 5. That's why we have 590 grams here. Now 6 minus 3, we have 3 grams. 3 kilograms, sorry. So the answer is 3 kilograms. 590 grams. Don't forget, this kilograms, this unit has to be written. If not, you will not get your full marks. Now let's go to the next example on subtraction. I've put a lot of examples together because I want you to really get what I'm explaining. Now this is coming up in centigram and milligram. So we have 6 milligram minus 7 milligrams. You know it's not possible. So we have 1 from the centigram here and it becomes 16. Bringing it 10 centigrams to 1 milligram, it becomes 16. Now we say 16 minus 7 will give us what? 16 centigrams minus 7 will give us 9 milligrams. Sorry, milligrams. 16 milligrams minus 7 give us 9 milligrams. Now we have 3 here. Instead of 4, we have 3. 3 minus 1 will give us 2. And then 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So that's why we have 12 centigrams and 9 milligrams. Like I said before, don't forget your units. If you write your answers without the units written out clearly, your answers will not be given out for you in full. So when you are writing anything, you are adding in weight, you're subtracting in weight, don't forget to write the units very close to the answers because it shows you know what you are doing. So when you're working, don't be in a hurry. Calm down so that you always write your units at the end, beside the figures. Now, we have learnt the definition of weight, how heavy or how light an object is. And then we have looked at the conversion of weight. And then we have added some weight sums. And we have subtracted some weight sums. Now, I want you to do this for me quickly. I want you to quickly do it. I will not be working it for you. I can just help you arrange it. 3 kilograms, 430 grams, 430 grams. Don't forget to write your units very close to it. Then 1 kilogram. I'm not supposed to arrange it for you, but I just want to help you a bit so you know, since you're just starting the class, you know what you need to do. Then 3 kilograms, 712 grams. Okay, so what do we have there? I want the answer very, very fast. Do that for me quickly. Are we done? Okay, are we ready? Who is done? Who got the correct answer? Okay, let's see what you have gotten there. Our grams there. Then we have 2. We have 9, 10, 13. And we have a 5, 7, 14. Then we have our kilograms here. And then we have our 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kilograms. Okay, do you have this answer in your book? 8 kilograms, 432 grams. Do you have that answer in your book? Are you sure? Okay, as many of you that have this answer in your book, you have worked it and you got this correct answer, give yourself a very resounding round of applause. Good. Okay, but if you have not gotten it right, please quickly do the working, write the correcting, and then if you have gotten it right, give yourself a good mark. Now, this is the next thing you want to do. You want to subtract. You want to subtract. So let's quickly look at the subtraction together as well, and let's see who has gotten and who has not gotten. Okay, now we have removed the addition. Now I want to subtract 19 kilogram, 983 grams from 37 kilogram, 175 grams. So who can tell me which one is going to be up and which one is going to be down? Okay, 19, no, 37 will be up. Okay, 37 kilogram, don't forget to write your unit, 175 grams, subtract 19 kilograms, 983 grams. Okay, now starts. Your time starts now. Count 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Has anybody worked it out? Did you get the answer correctly? Okay, let's see if you have gotten the answer correctly. Don't forget, the first thing you're writing here is what? Your G. Okay, now we have 5 minus 3. What will it give us? Give us 2. 7 minus 8. Can it go? Okay, we have 17 minus 8. What will it give us? 9. Okay, so we have a 0 here. Then you take 1 from here. You have a 6. 10 minus 9, you give us what? 1. Now we have kilograms here. 6 minus 9, you know it's not possible. So you have 1 here. Then you have your 2 left. The one you took from here, you add that to this 6. And we have 16. Now 9 minus 16. You give us what? 7. Okay, so we have 2 minus 1. We give us what? 1. So our answer eventually will be 17 kilograms, 192 grams. How many of you have this as your answer? Okay, if you have this as your answer while you did your working, please give yourself a very resounding round of applause. Good. But if you don't have it, that means you didn't really pay attention to the class very well, and then you need to go back to the slide so that you can understand what I have just explained. But I want to believe that everybody got the correct answer because it's very, very simple. So give yourself a good mark. You got it very well. That's very good. Now, in conclusion, the unit of weight is in grams and kilograms, like I told you, grams and kilograms. And then we can add in metric. We can also subtract in metric. We'll be looking at multiplication, division next week. And then we'll also be looking at conversion of weights next week. I hope you have really enjoyed and learned a lot into this class. I want to believe that you're doing very great even while at home, because I've really missed you. So in the next class, I'll be, like I said, teaching you division and multiplication of weights. But before that time comes up, I'll be sending your class activity in the next class. So please pay attention and wait for it as I will be sending it. Take care of yourself. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.